Yeah, we're gonna go like wedding bag hunting.
I prefer this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit cooler.
Oh my god, Lisa! This is my dream! There she is. We have to get her somehow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I actually didn't realize that it's a bag.
So happy birthday, Lisa!
Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome to a beautiful spring day in London. We are going to meet Lisa today and I think she's actually looking for her wedding bag. So that would be such an honor, you know, if we find one together. Look how gorgeous London is. So we're gonna look for a wedding bag. I also want to look though for I want to pre-order a Matthieu Blazy bag. Yes, they got me. I think Chanel is good again. I have no idea about the quality. Obviously, I will keep you updated. I have not touched a Matthieu Blazy Chanel bag yet. So it's gonna be a first today. You know, I haven't gone to Chanel for a while. But I'm super excited. I really want that pink crocodile surf executive tote. I've fallen in love with it. So let's see what's gonna happen. I like the cool mint crocodile one as well, but it's not really my color. Look at how gorgeous London is. I was also briefly thinking about the black one, but I mean, you know, I have my dream black bag. The wind today. Also my SA in South Kensington, she just got this red burgundy one in, and I was briefly considering it, but I'm not gonna spend so much money on a red Chanel bag. And check out my first ever video on the new channel. Honestly, the wind is so bad today. So, Selfridges. Look who's here with me again.
Hi guys.
It's been a couple of years.
Yeah,
right?
it's been a while.
It's been a while. So what do we do today? Do you want to tell them?
Yeah, we're gonna go like wedding bag hunting. So I'm getting married in June.
Congratulations, and by the way, not only congratulations obviously to that, it's her birthday today, so happy birthday, Lisa!
Thank you, thank you.
So it's kind of birthday shopping and wedding bag shopping.
Correct.
I am super excited, and you know that I actually want one of the Matthieu Blazy pieces as well.
Right.
So,
I already tried them actually.
oh, can we put the picture in here?
Yeah,
maybe?
sure,
Oh,
yeah.
amazing.
I can send it to you.
So I want the pink crocodile. And OOTD guys. What did you say when you saw me coming?
I said we're like two different seasons.
Yes.
So it's still winter and I'm like in full
Spring.
summer mode. Yeah.
So bag of the day, of course, my favorite little Bvlgari. And you?
I'm wearing my Nour bag.
And this is actually mock rock.
Oh,
last year. Oh,
I got it from my
amazing.
fiance last year for my birthday.
And guys, this is actually mock croc. That's what I want from Chanel. So, first time Matthieu Blazy. And to be honest, I like it. They don't have any of the croc pieces except for this one.
clutch, like very interesting design actually, you see.
How does it feel though? Tell me how it feels.
It does feel good.
Yeah?
It does feel good, yeah.
To be honest, this leather, I told you recently that the leather is not that good either, but it feels okay.
This looks really good, yeah.
It looks
This as
okay.
well.
It's cute. So close up of the leather. What do we think? If any of you already got one of those pieces, do let me know please how it's wearing. The price?
It's 5.2.
5.2. Yeah, for a clutch though.
But it does like feel like really good.
It's nice. It does feel good. I wasn't expecting that.
I think that's a bit like too
I have to say it does feel good, guys.
for my dress, you know, that I don't think I stuck in the dress.
This is the same red as the Surf Executive Tote that my South Kensington SA sent to me. So, tell me. Yeah, Lieschen.
I like it. It is very cute.
What color is the hardware? Silver,
Yeah,
right?
it's silver,
Did you want silver or gold?
Rather like champagne gold, I think.
Yeah.
Engagement ring.
Look
is
at
a
her
white
engagement
gold.
ring. Wow, it's so beautiful.
But
See it in
my-
the light.
Right. But my wedding
beautiful.
band, it will be yellow gold, so I like wanna.
Yeah.
I think I would prefer like champagne gold for my bag.
Yeah,
for the
come
wedding bag.
closer, come closer.
However, what I do like is the handle, like
Yeah.
the top handle.
Yeah.
Very cute.
And this one doesn't have this line.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, right. Because
Yeah.
the one that we saw had this like...
I like this one better. Okay, they do have it in suede. Oh my god. This is the color. That was on my wish list as well if I would get a piece. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So, this is so beautiful, no? And actually the handles are leather. And this is suede. So, let me know what you think. And anybody who is interested in the details. Or would you go for the leather? Oh god, I think I prefer the plain leather. So I thought, just from seeing them online, that I would prefer the quilting and the suede. But I think in real life, I actually prefer the smooth.
Do you?
Yeah. You would go for this?
I really like this one more, yeah.
And Lisa can actually show it to you on her shoulder, because I'm wearing my coat, I can't really put it on. But so, if you see them now right next to each other, what do you think? Show me.
I prefer this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit cooler.
To be honest, I like this red clutch as well. It's pretty. Ooh, look at this little party Kelly.
really nice.
Love it. And another party Kelly in red. And what is this little Miu Miu there, guys? Interesting. Okay, honest, quick opinion on the quality.
I think it was surprisingly good, actually.
I didn't expect it.
Yeah.
I mean, I was expecting the worst because it's
Yeah.
Chanel.
Yeah, no, but it was like really good.
But the leather felt like leather.
Yeah,
It
it really
felt
did.
good. And
Yeah.
actually the croc felt very durable as well. And
I agree.
I think just as durable as your little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same, I would say.
Yeah, so-
definitely.
It's good, guys.
Because I tried on the Matthieu Blazy collection at the airport, and there I tried on like this little vanity in like dark red with like chevron, and this one felt like really off, like super thin leather. I mean, I can send you the picture
Yes,
so you can
I
put
put
it.
them
I
in,
think,
that's why I said
I
here.
think you can already see it in the picture that the quality was not that good. But I
Okay.
think today we got lucky.
So what you felt at the airport also felt different to today?
Yeah, it was like super thin, and it only felt like a leather coating actually, not like real leather.
Yeah, that's what we knew. So it would be great if they actually up the
Yeah.
quality again. I think that's what everybody is really waiting for. So quick stop at Chanel upstairs, guys. I like the walls more than I like the fashion. What do we think about the papillon?
I do like it. I do like it.
Okay.
Not sure how practical it is, but I think it looks really cool.
Little glitter, but that just rips your dresses, guys.
Yeah, and also I think that the straps look like super thin, don't they?
They do.
Yeah.
That is kind of cute too. And in black as well, guys. Found a white bag, but this is nothing for wedding, of course.
Unfortunately, no. But it is super cute.
It is super cute.
Maybe for my bachelorette weekend.
Yes! What about something like this, Lisa?
Oh, I like it. I like the top handle.
Yeah, same.
It's very yellow gold.
Very yellow.
But
Yeah. So, but to be honest, this feels like the old leather.
it does feel good. It does feel good.
It feels like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
old leather, the bad leather. This feels like coated.
Do you think
Yeah,
so?
this feels like coated.
Because
100%.
I
Very
thought, like-
plasticky.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
here. Yeah, you're right. Here you can see
open it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. No,
That's the
you
old
are right,
leather.
unfortunately.
Yeah, that shouldn't happen, guys. And for anybody who's interested, that is the price. I just got an All Saints dress that looks like this. Yeah. This is the same one, just in big. This is one of the new ones. So
Oh,
just at Saint Laurent, and Lisa just spotted some shoes.
so nice.
They are.
And they're actually quite comfortable.
Oh, for that height?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
More comfortable than the ones that I'm wearing.
So they have some vanity pieces as well, but I think they don't look sophisticated enough.
Yeah, no, they're not very bridal. I mean, even in
Yeah.
white, it would
No.
not be like really suitable.
No,
But
definitely.
They are cute.
They are cute, yeah. Just walked past Bottega and they have vanities, of course, as well. This in white would look nice.
but I think it's too casual, don't you think?
Yeah, I
I'm
mean,
not sure.
I don't know either, but this is still real good quality. Bottega
It
still
is,
has
it is.
really,
I mean,
really
you
good
can
leather.
already- Actually, looking for a bag for my wedding day. Ah, yeah.
I mean, I like it. I don't know if you think it's too casual, but guys, what do you think? I prefer non-logo bags always.
I do understand what you
And
mean.
this leather is still really good quality.
I think I would have to like bring like a piece of fabric from my dress actually.
Oh yeah,
to see how
to match it.
the white tones are matching.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, but I mean, in general, it would also be like a bag that I could like also after my wedding.
You can just wear it any day. You
right?
can wear it during winter.
Yeah.
You can wear it during summer. It's perfect for all year round. Yay! Actually, I like this clutch. How do you open it?
It's just that one.
I mean, I know this is not for you, but I mean, somebody else could probably consider this as a wedding bag as
I think it's for someone who's like really tall.
Yeah, really
it would,
tall.
Like beautiful.
Yeah. So just in comparison, here we got the clutch and the little vanity. Yeah, exciting.
He was like very lovely, right?
That was the nicest person we've met today.
Yeah, definitely.
And guys, you know you can get me with flowers and roses. Look at these BVLGARI bags. I want to try on that one. I think Lisa already found something too. That's beautiful. To be honest, I like BVLGARI bags. Oh my god, this is my dream. Okay, we try that one on. I love this. What do we think? Oh my god, this is a dream bag. Wow, I love this. And so they have another one. This is for Lisa, but she's just on the phone. So I'm gonna try this one on already. Oh my god, you can get me with flowers. You can just use them at home as like floral decorations and then use them as a bag when you need it. I mean, can we... what do we think? Okay, would you get this one? I mean, it's beautiful, right? And let's look at this close up. It looks pretty good, pretty real. Or would you go for this? Okay, so let's have a look inside. Does it come with a strap or anything, or it's just a clutch?
Yeah,
okay.
just a clutch.
Oh my god, okay, I still love it. Does a phone fit in there? Potentially? Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at this one as well. Is there any more flowers, or is this the only ones?
I believe they do have more flowers in their range,
okay.
but we only have these at the moment.
Let's have a look at this one, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, thank you so much. So, what do you think about the flowers?
I actually didn't realize that it's a bag. She was like, can I try it on? And I was like, what bag?
So, what do we think about this bag?
I love this one. And I think it would also match my ears.
Oh, yes!
In terms of size, I think it's fine. It like, fits a phone.
Yeah, it fits the phone.
Price.
That's the price, guys. I just try to fit my phone into these and it doesn't fit. There's no way. Okay.
It feels a bit off for me. I'm like,
so you wouldn't wear this as a wedding bag? You got flowers and a bag in one, you know?
Yeah,
you wear
true.
that. Look at this. I love the Edam bags. I mean, I would go for a plain one because I think like the handle is that, you know, it's enough. I thought though that the white one is just plain white, but it's not. Oh, from the other side, guys, it looked like a beautiful white, perfect bag. So I thought it looks like this. Yeah, so guys, quick stop at Dior. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. What do you think about the new bags?
It's not for me.
Okay, these I have not even seen online yet. To be honest, they have something. Oh, Lisa found one of the micro ones. Yeah, if they had something like this in white, that's actually smaller than mine.
It is cute.
Yeah. But wow, what do we have here? Okay, let me see if I can get a little bit closer. So, some of the new art pieces. So beautiful. This one is it. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, this is really, really pretty too. Look at the details, guys. Cheers! Happy birthday, Lisa! Okay, no thanks, we got matcha. We're gonna head into Celine quickly. Okay, quick look at what's new at Celine. I don't know why, I'm really drawn to these. Lisa, Wei said these are potato sacks.
I do understand what he's saying.
But I like them, I don't know why. Still, the dream of dreams. A Himalayan lizard, just like my bag. You know, could get a little wallet for my lizard bag. We are on our way to the big Chanel flagship store.
with our
Let's
little
see what they
matcha.
have. Both of us just went past this and we were like, oh.
These are all BVLGARI 25.
Yeah,
right?
they are 25 Cellier. Can you hold this a moment?
Yes.
So look at this one here. This is black lizard as well.
Wow.
I would prefer it in gold, of course. I like the slouchy original Birkins as well. I'm not a fan of the Cellier. Yeah. Oh my god, Lisa just noticed the Himalayan in the bag. Okay, we are here. We're gonna head into Chanel. Okay, Lisa just saw. Sorry guys, I cannot pretend that I'm excited to see this. Lisa just spotted they have one of the crocodile pieces. Oh my god, Lisa! This is my dream!
There she is.
There she is, but do you think it's just display?
Hopefully not.
Oh,
It looks really, really nice.
I love it. It looks so good in reality.
Yeah, it's like a pinkish red,
Yeah,
right?
I did not expect this, guys. Okay, let's see. Yeah, no. It's this one. There she is. There she is. We have to get her somehow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Looks nice.
Okay, this is the large one. It is heavy, but we can actually try it on. I feel like this is rather something for a man, right?
But I like it.
Yeah, show me on you. It's really, really big.
It's heavy, yeah.
It's, yeah.
For me it's too big.
Yeah, and I think the red is, yeah, the red is not my color either. I think I would want the pink one. Yeah. Okay, this is what we have. They don't actually have the...
They don't have the vanity.
Do you like any of these?
Here the logo is too big for my liking, and
Okay.
also I think it has like quite a big strap. You see? Yeah, it has
oh
this
God,
like chunky
yeah.
strap. It's
No.
not for me.
I like it. Okay.
From the three that we've been shown, I think this one's my favorite.
Yeah, I'm always distracted by your ring.
This one has this like cute, like dainty chain.
Yeah, it's true.
And also like champagne gold hardware, which I like.
Try this. This is the big chain. I like it. Obviously, it's
Yeah,
not
but
for
like,
you.
It's too
Yeah.
cool, right?
Yeah.
It's like too chunky.
Yeah, it's too chunky. Oh my god, I like that. I don't know what it is.
It is very cute.
I like
Is
it.
it a wedding bag?
Probably not.
Probably not, right?
But I honestly love it. The chain length is so dainty and cute.
Yeah.
What about this?
I think that's my like second favorite.
Okay,
like,
show me on you.
in terms of what we saw today. So I think my favorite is still the vanity that we saw in Selfridges.
Okay, even though it's silver hardware.
Even though it was silver hardware. Because here I think the logo is too big. I'm not sure. Oh well, I mean if I...
Oh, I like this. I never like bags with silver hardware. What can I tell you? I actually like this. Okay, we've just been in Chanel. Unfortunately, that bag is not available. But again, they were super nice
Yeah, very nice.
to us today. But no bag yet.
No, not yet. Not
Okay,
yet.
what is the result of today? What do you think is gonna happen? She only has 2 months.
I think I'm gonna have to like think about the Bottega one that we saw.
Okay.
And the first vanity in Chanel that we saw today.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just like make up my mind if I want something with the logo or not. And then I think from this point going forward we can like decide. kind
I'm
of.
excited. Can we do an unboxing if you get one?
Yeah, sure.
And we should also have a look at your collection. I know your collection is grown so
Okay.
beautifully.
Okay, yeah.
And we have to have a look at
Let's
that.
do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, that was it for today, guys. So many SAs at Chanel today told me that they are not doing any pre-ordering anymore. But then the last one in the Flagship boutique, she was so lovely. It really is about who you are going to meet. And she was like, let me talk to my manager. And they took my details for the pink crocodile bag. So fingers crossed. That would be wonderful, of course. So yeah. It really is about luck and if somebody likes you or not. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here. Because we all do have the same luxury disease. I have to watch my phone. Okay guys, see you soon. Cheers!